Good day, Kids Company, family and friends. It's me, Teacher Bronwyn. I'm going to remove my mask so you can hear me better. We're learning about South Africa this week, so I'm going to make a Ndebele beautiful necklace that the woman wears. So before I'm going to start, I'm just going to spritz my hands. So my hands are nice and clean. There we go. For this craft, we're going to need paint brushes, paper plates, a bowl to draw a circle with, some wool, a marker, a punch, and a scissor to cut. So I'm going to draw my circle first. Like that. And then I'm just going to draw two moons. So I'm going to make one moon shape like that. There I've got one and another one. There we go. And then we can just cut them out. I'm cutting my circle out first. Remember to move your hand while you cut on the line. There we go. So there I've got my necklace and I'm going to cut two moons out. Here's my first one. And another. So I'm going to start by punching holes into my moons at the sides and just mark where the holes is on your necklace as well, so you know where to punch. There you go. And then you can start painting. So now we're going to make some blue dots. And you can also paint your moons as well. I'm going to make mine blue, but you can choose any color. If you have glitter at home, you can stick glitter on, whatever you like. Just make it nice and colorful. And there we go. I've used the wool and I'm just putting the two moon shapes together and making a double knot like this. And then you can also attach it then to the necklace. Then you take more wool. Last one. And into the last one and just make a double knot again. And there we go. I think it came out very nicely. Thank you for doing this beautiful craft with me. See you next time.